Assalamualaikum. How are you? Hope so you are all fine and well today we learn Urdu alphabets. As you know that in previous lesson we learned from Alif Ta Khe in lesson number 1 and in lesson number 2 we learned from Dal Ta Sheen. Now today we discuss another family of Urdu alphabets. So without wasting the time we start our lecture and discuss another family or of Urdu alphabets are Huruf-e-Tahajji. So the next alphabet is Swad. Swad. Swad in English is simply S. Next is Zwad. In English is simply Z or the combination of two letters that is Z and H. There is a difference between the sounds of Swad and Seen. As you know that in Seen it's also in English S. But if you look the both, there is a difference between Seen and Swad. Seen refers to the soft sound, but Swad we may also use Swad as for the long sound. Next is Zwad. Zwad in English it is simply Z or the combination of two letters that is Z and H. Next is Toy. It's simple like T in English. Next is Zoe. It's simply Z in English. Next is Ain. Ain it simply refers to E in English. It sounds like E in English. Next is Gain. Ain and Gain we both pronounce these letters from thought. These both alphabets come from thought. Next is Fe. It's simply F in English. Next is Kaf. Kaf simply Q in English. Next is Kaf. This one is Cough. It's a heavy sound. It has heavy sound. Next is Calf. Cough, calf. Cough, calf. There is a difference between cough and calf. These both alphabets, it comes from thought, and this simply we may pronounce from open mouth. It refers to K. It is simply K in English. Next is Gaf. If you look Kaf and Gaf, there is a sleeping line on it. We abruptly said that it's a sleeping line, so there is a one line on it, so there is two line on Gaf. Kaf, Gaf. Heavy sound, soft sound. Gaf. Gafs simply like G in English. Just like goat in English. Hope so you like the video. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And also enable the bell icon. In this way you may also receive the new videos, notification of new videos. So take care. Allah Hafiz.